Hello everyone, we are Cozy Themes. Today, let's talk something about how to work with full site editing and the blocks. So, heading on to our page. Now, there's the block list and here are the available blocks. So, you can check it out. Now, let's work with a group block. So the group block works as a container or a wrapper. So this content sets the width for the inner blocks. And there's the padding. So the group block or the wrapping blocks takes up the additional spaces which can be managed by the padding, margin or the block spacing. So adding a heading block inside the group block. Now this is the alignment for the heading block, and you can choose the heading level as well. Okay, so here are the styles for the heading block, and we have set the color for the heading block, and here's the size. So there are the typography styles as well. Now changing the font. So these available fonts are retrieved from the theme, and here's the letter case. Okay, let's check the changes for a second. Okay. Now there's the link option which is set in order to change the link hover or default colors. So in order to set the link for the heading, you can click on the link attribute and add a link to your liking, and here's the link options as well. So we have added a link to the block text. Okay, now let's add a paragraph block. And here's the alignment for the paragraph block. So the heading and paragraph blocks are quite similar, and the styles are also quite similar. As you can see, there's a preview. So the block spacing manages the inner spacing or the spacing between the blocks. So adding a link to a specific text. And we can change the link color from here. Now let's check the changes. So as you can see, so this is how we add the heading and paragraph block. Now let's work with a button block. Searching for this, the buttons block. And here's the justification for the button. So there we go. Now, these are the styles for the button. So these are the theme defined styles, and changing the text color or the background color. There we go. So in case if you need a button right beside this button, you can add multiple buttons. So duplicating this results do something like this. So the background color is different for both the buttons. Okay, so this is how we customize a block in full site editing. So thank you for watching.